Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button. Maybe leave a comment. Those really help out the channel a ton. So today's product you will find available on Amazon. So there is a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can check out the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. So it is a high pressure steam cleaner by a company called Beamnova. Once you order it, it's just going to come in a plain box, and then it's going to have this nice hard plastic carrying case that you will open up and you will get all the parts and pieces. So let's go over that right now. First off, and most importantly, you're going to get a quick little instruction manual that tells you how to operate it and all the parts and pieces, but we're going to go over all that information. Then you are going to get two types of cleaning brushes. So you're going to get two just standard plastic little cleaning brushes. Then you are going to get two kind of steel cleaning brushes right like that, which with the copper little brushes here, which are great for cleaning the outdoor grill, which we're going to show some footage of it working in action and cleaning and all that. Then you're going to get a bunch of three little clear rubber gaskets, two of these rubber gaskets, and then two of the smaller ones. So if you need to replace any of the gaskets, you get some spares. You're going to get a little itty bitty flashlight, which just takes a single AA battery. The battery is not included. You just press the button and it turns on. And this will mount on top of the device in case you need to make it a little bit easier to see. Then you are going to get the pressure wand here itself. Now, this little wand right here is approximately 8.66 inches. So it's nice to get in the little corners. And then how you attach it, this just screws on like so. And then the steam will come out the middle. Yeah, so there, that's how it simply attaches. Okay, so then you are going to get the device itself. So here it is itself. You're going to have this nice little cord. It does have this like reusable zip tie. It's kind of hard to trigger or undo. You have to press this little button and pull it down, but it does include that to organize this cable here. Now this really is nice and long. This cable itself is 98 inches long, so it works really well. And then the power cable itself is approximately 71 inches. So there's the power cable. And then this is the hose attachment. So you will drop this into like a bucket of water, and it will just suck up the water from there. Now it does have kind of the device. Let me go to the front here. It has the safety power button here that you'll turn on and off. And then you have the dial right here at the top, which will adjust how much water is coming out. As far as this device itself, it runs on 110 volts. It is 1,700 watts and 60 hertz of power. Now, I will put the pressure down below, but it basically will do 140 to 170 milliliters of water a minute. And then importantly, for the cleaning aspect, it will heat up in 15 seconds. So it heats up super fast, up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit. So it gets hot really, really, really quickly. Now, I'll kind of give you the size so you can judge how big this is. It's about 3.5 inches by 7 3/4 of an inch and 4 3/4 of an inch. So that gives you kind of the overall size of the device itself. And it has a nice little handle here. But yeah, so let me show you this right here. And this is where the flashlight goes. So if you are wanting to, you just put the flashlight right there. And then you got this little attachment. So you can screw this on if you, so just take this off right here and then screw this on instead. Or you can screw these on directly like so if you want to use this directly on the device. So it gives you that option if you want to use the wand or use this itself. I kind of like the wand, especially, so what I use this for the most is to clean the grill, to get in those grates. So you just put the wand on here and then get it nice and tight, pull the trigger, and then go back and forth to deep clean the grill. You can also use it on your tires, like, you know, get in between the joints there. You can use it on appliances, whether if you're inside of your oven. You can use it on like even like kind of nasty like corners of grouts in your shower or your toilet, and you can use this to kind of get in there and scrub that gunk off. But because of the high heat, that's why it works really well getting off all the stuff. Now it does have, just knows, like the trigger, you could pull this, and then it has this like safety little kind of swing door here that you can put down, so that way it won't accidentally trigger. And because obviously if the steam hits you, it's gonna do some serious damage. So you want to make sure to not point this at anybody or point it onto your skin or anything like that. So let's go ahead and show you some footage of it in action so you get an idea of how it works. Okay guys, now that you've seen this little guy up and running and in action, there was a couple things I wanted to point out that I didn't touch base on earlier. It has a 30-minute runtime, so then it will shut off. So just note it has a 30-minute runtime. And then another thing it has, this is kind of for safety. It has these 3 little buckles, so if for whatever reason the pressure gets too much, then these can blow off, is the way it's designed. Obviously I haven't tested that or seen how that works, but that is what these little, if you're wondering, these little pieces are. It's a safety mechanism as far as the pressure when it's converting that water to steam. But yeah, so that is basically the ins and outs of this. If you have any questions or comments, hit me up in the comment section. If you thought the video was helpful and you made it this far, be sure to leave a little comment in the description or down there below, whether it's a smiley face or whatever. I really appreciate that. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, all those fun stuff. And that is it. So until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.